What's up, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to this POV review by AUTOBAHN. My name is Max, and today we are checking out this BMW 540i. It is a pre-LCI model, a pre-facelift, as you can see, because it has the regular lights. Absolutely stunning car. I love this 5 Series. It is so good, it is so beautiful, it is simple, it is amazing. So today we are here with this 540i because the owner Toby has decided that he wants a bit more power. So what we are going to do, we're going to show you what it's like to do a stage 1 tune on this 540i. So what I'm going to do is go out for a run on the Autobahn, do a stock measurement, and then I'll come back here, we'll do the stage 1 tune, and then I'll go back on the Autobahn to show you guys the difference 100 to 200. And well, I would like to do a top speed run, but this car sits on Vredestein all-season tires, and they are not great at high speed. So we just have to see how they feel and how the wind develops during the run. So I'll do a quick walk around. It is a black car, as you can see, with the black kidneys, with all the black accents around the front bumper. Relatively simple wheels as well, 19-inch. Does have a little M logo there. And then, as I said, the Vredestein Giugiaro all-season tires. Yeah, it just has no sidewall. It's way too soft for high speed. So moving on, privacy glass. And then the 540i badge. The chrome exhaust tips. X-Drive badge, super nice. This really is one of the best cars BMW has ever made. I truly believe that. It is so capable. It is fast, it sounds good, it's practical, it's comfortable, it's beautiful, I think. So yeah, let's head out and see what it does with stock power. So let's head out for a drive. I've got Draggy installed right here. If you want to buy a Draggy for yourself, the GPS device we always use to measure the cars, you can check it out in our store. I've linked the product in the video, so you should be able to find it relatively easily. Okay, so sport for the gearbox, sport for the traction control, sport plus for the car. And let's head out for a little run. Oh, so nice. Silky smooth 6-cylinder. That is how I would describe it. It's silky smooth, and yet it feels nice and punchy. Even with stock power, I mean 340 horsepower, it's still so nice. So as I said, those tires, they are not the greatest, so we'll just have to see what we can do today and what feels, you know, comfortable and safe. And also it is very busy out today, so we also have to see if we can do anything anyway. Okay, so we're going to do a 100 to 200 measurement. I'm going to slow down to like 80 kilometers an hour and then just floor it. There we go. That is a 12.88 100 to 200. Which is not bad, I would say. 12.88 for a stock 540i. So let's turn around and head back out on the other side to see if we can get close to the stock top speed, and then we'll return to our original place to do that stage 1 tune. It does sound very, very nice, but you know, could use some more volume. But this really is the B58 combined with the ZF 8-speed in the G series BMWs. It's such a match made in heaven. We've talked about this before, but it's also so suitable for tuning. I mean, there's so much reserve in this engine, and this drivetrain can take so much more power, and the car can take so much more power as well. It's a really good platform to tune, and it is also relatively easy thanks to that MHD off-the-shelf map and the MHD adapter that you can both buy in our store, but I'm going to show you today how easy that actually is and how good it works when you have it loaded up. So top speed of a 540i is 250 kilometers an hour. There we are. Thank you, sir, for noticing that I was coming at high speed. Otherwise I would have had to brake a lot harder, but that worked out perfectly. So we are at the top speed now, 250 GPS. To 63 on the speedo, to 64. Oh, so the speed limiter is already off. So that's a stock 540i already doing 275. I'm going to let off the throttle because we have to turn around here. But that is not bad. I mean, stock 540i, as I said, is already a very, very impressive car. So 100 to 200, 12.88, very impressive. We're also going to check out the 0 to 100. As you can see, it is still quite windy, so I can really feel the car like being blown from left to right sometimes, which is kind of sketchy, but nothing to worry about. Okay, so let's check out that 0 to 100. I do have to say that we did quite a long run, and that means that everything is quite hot now, so we'll just have to see if we can get close to the claimed 0 to 100, which is 4.8 seconds for a stock 540i. So here we go, foot on the brake, full throttle, launch control, a little bit of wheel spin there. 4.73, so 4.7, 0 to 100, and 12.88, 100 to 200. That is our baseline test. Let's see what we can do with a stage 1 tune, and I'll take you through the process of the tuning as well. Because look who's there, it is our mechanic. Our tuning boss, Martijn, who is coincidentally wearing our Evolution M t-shirt. Show me that t-shirt, buddy.
What's up?
What's up? Turn around. So this is our M3 Touring t-shirt, Evolution M.
T-shirt.
Huh?
This is our M3 Touring t-shirt.
Yeah, we don't have an M3 Touring. We do have a t-shirt. If you want it, go check out our store. I've been plugging a lot of products today, but
okay,
it's
good thing.
I hope the guys like it. So we're going to tune the car, which means that we turn it off and then we put it in diagnostics mode. So that is 3 clicks on the button. Seatbelt on, so the car stays on as well. Diagnostics mode active. Thank you, sir. So this is the MHD adapter, which you use to connect to the OBD port of your car, and which allows you to go into the car and actually change stuff.
Yeah, also make sure to turn off all
lights and AC.
Exactly. And then it's as it is with anything today, with an app. So this is the MHD app, and you simply... Oh nee, wacht, we moeten
connecten.
Nee, ik moet eerst XP doen. Het is altijd raadzaam eerst XP te doen.
Moet ik dat laten zien?
En dan.
Ik weet niet hoe lang die GoPro het volhoudt zonder airco en...
So what you then do is you go to your Wi-Fi and you see here the MHD adapter. So MHD is a tuning platform. So this is the platform on which you tune. You can also load custom maps from your local tuner, or just go for an OTS map. So stage 1, stage 2. I would recommend going
off the shelf OTS.
Off the shelf map.
So it's ready made, and the maps are really good. They are made by a German tuner.
Fantastic.
They are
really.
amazing.
You don't need a very intricate custom
So
code.
let me show the peeps. So the amazing thing is that with this app you can even select a multi-map system. So that means you can choose different stages, stage 1, stage 2 and high pressure fuel pump, but you can also change the fuel map. So you can use the cruise control button on the steering wheel to change the map. And for instance, if you're in Germany and you want to fuel it up with 102 octane fuel, you can just hit that map. You have a little bit more power. If you're back in the Netherlands and you're on 95, you hit that map. If you want a bit more power, you hit the stage 2 map. So that works really well. But for now, we've got stage 1, 98 RON. And you also have on this particular car the stage 0 plus, which is an OEM style map of the power kit. So that's 360 horsepower. But we're not going to try that. But if you would like, you have like a little upgrade of power.
Yeah, BMW offered a power and sound kit for both the 340i and the 540i.
Yeah.
With a rear silencer and a little power pump.
So we're going to hit stage 1 with 98 octane fuel. And we've got an XHP flashed automatic transmission. Hit that. And there we go. So before we start writing the map, we can also go to options and you can basically customize your entire map with stuff like the overrun brop, the exhaust burble, the cold start, the OPF delete if you have it, yes or no, exhaust flap always open in sport mode, high pressure fuel pump installed, stuff like that. So you can even customize this off-the-shelf map and you know, make it as crazy as you want. But we're just going to hit the stage 1 map. So it literally takes 5 seconds to flash the ECU. That is so crazy. Oh, er zit een autootje achter ons.
Maybe he also wants a tune.
Yeah. I think it will do crazy wheelies. Okay.
So now we recommend doing a second error clearance. So what you do is you go back, codes, read codes, and then clear error codes. It has already done this, but it's always good to do it a second time.
Okay, that's it.
Have fun.
That was very quick. Thank you for the tune. I can now take
Evolution
out
and pop-up store.
Evolution and pit stop. I can take out the MHD adapter.
You can.
So let's start with a 0 to 100 measurement again. So traction control in sport mode, sport, 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 sport plus, everything. Sport plus. Okay, foot on the brake, full throttle. Launch control. There we go. And that is a 4.4 second 0 to 100 compared to the 4.7 we did earlier. It's all about how much grip do you have, especially with these all-season tires. Toby is going to get some proper summer tires on this, but he got the tires for free with the car, so yeah. What are you gonna do then? You're just going to leave them on, right? All right. So, again, we're going to do a couple of 100 to 200 measurements and find out what it will do. All right, so slow down to like 80. Try to do it in the same spot as before. Full throttle. There we go. Picks up nicely. And that is a 10.9 second 100 to 200. So that is 2 seconds quicker from 100 to 200 in like 5 minutes. That is how amazingly well this MHD adapter, MHD map pack combo works. But just to clarify, you can also take off the top speed limiter with MHD. So that is what happened with this car. It was on a stock map, stock power, but with the speed limiter already removed. So hit the throttle, let's see if we can get some space now on this side. So there's a definite improvement here in high speed in high speed behavior. You can see that it pulls through so much better. So that's 280, have to brake for that Tesla. And we're going to hit the exit here. But that is very impressive for a stage 1. Really, really good. Yeah, I'm super happy with that. In our store, so you can buy an adapter plus the super license. You need to flash your car. We've got it for a lot of different engines from BMW, like B58, S58, S55, N55, N13, S63. Go check it out if you're interested in our store. It really is this easy. We just wanted to show you guys how easy it really is to tune your car. It's not scary. We're going to head back to the shop now, install that downpipe and the stage 2 tune, and we'll be back with those videos when we've got the car ready to go for another Autobahn run, and of course show you guys what that sounds like and how it behaves with the stage 2. So stay tuned. That is going to be our new motto. Stay tuned, and we'll see you at the next video. Thanks for watching. You can subscribe by clicking the big button in the middle. You can also check out this video or this playlist. Bye guys.